What's up everybody, Tony here with High Tech Check, and today we're going to be taking a look at a case made by Simtect for the iPhone 14. Now I will also be putting a link in the description in case you guys want to pick this up yourself, and if you guys like me and you want to support my channel, please use those links because it helps me keep purchasing products to do reviews to you guys. So let's go and take a look at what you get inside the box here. So here we get a couple lanyards. One is just for your wrist and the other one you can wear around your neck. You also get a couple of these little inserts here that you're going to put into the case so you can attach the lanyard to. And then here we have the case itself. So here is the case, and it also has a protective cover over it that you're going to want to remove before you put your phone in. So really quick, before I put the phone inside the case, I just want to tell you a little bit about Simtect and their technology that they have inside these cases. Now they're ultra clear, just like crystal. They're specifically designed for the iPhone 14. This case is made of premium DE Bayer materials, which have dual certifications in safety from the RoHS and SGS. It uses exclusive micro dot laser craft and 2% Blu-ray molecular injection to ensure 100% light transmittance, which makes the Simtect iPhone 14 case clearer than others, fully showing off the color of your beautiful phone. This case will also never yellow and will always stay pristine because it features an anti-fingerprint electroplate coating, an anti-oxidation coating, and a nano-oleophobic layer. This iPhone 14's clear case can also block up to 99% ultraviolet rays, stains, fingerprints, and sweat effectively, so you can save unnecessary expense on frequent transparent case replacement. It also has a remarkable 10-foot mil-grade shockproofing. Simtect for the iPhone 14 shockproof case is certified by the military standard and survived 8,000 plus drop tests up to 10 feet. Adopted with the durable hard PC back, soft TPU bumper, and exclusive patent 4-corner runaway airbags. The case creates multiple protection to avoid accidental damage. Say no to expensive repair costs and strike a perfect balance between sleekness and protection. Also, the raised bezels prevent screen and camera from getting scratches, and the ingenious design of the 2.5mm raised camera bezel and the 1.2mm raised screen bezel aim for extra and comprehensive protection. Plus, the backboard is made of a rigid anti-scratch polycarbonate. No need to fear scratches. Slide the phone across your desk, bar, or table. Simtect always focuses on every detail. Accuracy is also key for Simtect, which is why they take extra care in lining up the cutouts for your iPhone 14's buttons, mics, and speakers, and charging ports. 0.04-inch ultra slim design lets your phone slide in and out of your pocket easily, also making the case support wireless chargers. Moreover, its curved slides and smooth grip provide ergonomic comfort in your hands. They also offer a lifetime warranty for the case, and you can also chat with a customer support specialist 24/7 about your warranty and other service items. So, as you can see, this case is super clear. So again, you can show off the color that you get of your phone. Very nice. So let's go ahead and put our phone in the case. All right, so there it is in the case. As you can see, it does have a nice raised edge all the way around the phone, so it'll protect your phone when you put it face down. It also is super grippy in your hand, so you don't have to worry about it slipping out of your hand. It's got the volume rockers that are separated, which I always love. They are clicky. It's got the nice little cutout for your mute button, and there's those pillow-like corners to help keep your phone nice and protected. Then you got your power button on the side here. It is got a nice ridge on it, and it is nice and clicky. And then you got your cutouts for your charging port, your speaker, and your microphone there. Then if we look at the back here, as you can see, it's got that nice raised edge to protect your camera, and on the back you can show off the color of your phone through that nice clear back. And it's also nice and hard to keep your phone protected as well. Very nice indeed. So let me go ahead and show you how to install your lanyards. So here you're going to take your case. You're going to take one of these inserts here. You're going to simply just take your insert and put this through the little charging port on the bottom there. Then you're going to go ahead and put your phone into the case, just like that. So now you have like the little lanyard hole, and it doesn't obstruct your charging port either. Then you're going to take one of your lanyards, and you can simply hook it right through the little hole here, just like that. Very nice. And again, like I said before, these cases are also wireless charging compatible. And they do not add a lot of bulk to the phone either. Very nice. I love the fact that they can show off the color of your phone. I plan on getting the blue. Which one are you guys going to get? Let me know in the comments below. So that is pretty much it for the Simtect iPhone 14 crystal clear case. Again, I will be putting a link in the description in case you guys want to pick it up yourself. And if you guys like me and you want to support my channel, please use those links because it helps me keep purchasing products to reviews for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little notification bell to let you guys know when I put out new videos. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.